The name is Palmal Group of Industries. The company was founded by late engineer Mr. Nurul Haq Shikdar, and later on his son Mr. Nafis Shikdar took the responsibility to carry the flag of this venture. Soon, under the guidance of his brilliant leadership, Palmal Group adopted a culture of verticality by becoming a quality-centric, fully functional garment sourcing, manufacturing and exporting entity. With production capacity of 10 million units of RMG, 1,500 tons of fabric, 1,560 tons of dyeing and finishing, 2 million units of washing, 20 tons of printing, almost 7 million yards of trims production and 4 lakh pieces of embroidery per month. We manufacture 100% export-oriented kids and infants wear, menswear and ladies wear. This is achieved through the careful manufacturing, sourcing and cutting in all of our 53 production units in 19 locations. Also through the process inspection of our own superior fabric through automated processes and our own dedicated production development team to ensure minimal wastage. While sewing and finishing processes are spread amongst workers for better time management, our machines are constantly updated to ensure maximum efficiency, highest quality standard and reduced electricity usage. We ship each and every finished products through our own logistics company to ensure safe and timely delivery. Our business share is nearly 40% in North America, 35% in European Union, 20% in Australia and 5% in other parts of the world. International brands like Walmart, Gap, H&M, Joe Fresh, Kmart and many more are our regular clients who are widely known for quality products all over the world. We also have the largest garments library in Bangladesh. Apart from our primary focus, we also have modern technology in our hand for some value-added services such as washing, designing, embroidery, printing and trims. And we have the largest graphic facilities in Bangladesh, capable of producing roughly 4 million prints per month. Our design studio offers extensive market research with drive for inspiration and innovation. In addition, we at Palmal know that manufacturing such large volumes requires maintaining the highest degree of compliance when it comes to worker and structural safety. We save energy through safe project implementation. We take care of the environment as well. To prevent fire, we have installed fire detection system, addressable fire alarm system, fire hydrant, automatic sprinkler as well as firefighting equipments. We also provide freedom of association and collective bargaining opportunities through Workers' Participation Committee to protect workers' rights. Almost all the factories are remediation certified by Accord and Alliance. We have achieved number of international certificates such as RAP, ISO, BSCI, Oikotex, GOTS and many more. We develop our employees' skill set through world-class internal and external training programs for improving managerial capacity, productivity, quality and ensuring workplace safety. We also have in-house daycare facilities for working mothers. We have achieved number of valuable awards as recognition to our best performance, and we are growing faster than ever. Today, we have a history of 25 years of sourcing raw materials globally. This has gifted us exceptionally strong relationships with some of the largest suppliers in the market. This enables us to deliver any kind of product regardless of uniqueness at very competitive prices and lead times, ensuring phenomenal customer satisfaction. Our journey will be continued with a commitment to ensure quality and please our clients. We will go a long way. Palmal Group.